Hey outdoor enthusiasts! Whether you're planning a weekend in the wilderness or a day at the beach, having the right camping chair can make all the difference. In today's video, we'll dive into the 7 best camping chairs that combine comfort, durability, and portability. From lightweight designs to chairs with extra support, we've got something for everyone. Stick around as we break down the pros and cons of each chair so you can make the best choice for your next adventure. Number 1. CLIQ Outdoor Rocker Camping Chair is a standard option for those who want the comfort of a rocking chair in the great outdoors. Designed with a sturdy steel frame, this chair supports up to 250 pounds, providing a secure and stable seating experience. The rocker mechanism is smooth and quiet, allowing you to rock gently while enjoying the surrounding nature. The mesh back and seat ensure excellent ventilation, keeping you cool during warm weather. Quality is a significant factor here. The chair features a padded headrest and a durable polyester fabric that is both easy to clean and resistant to fading. Its unique design includes a built-in cup holder and a side pocket, making it convenient to store your essentials. The CLIQ Outdoor Rocker folds down easily for transport and storage, making it an excellent choice for camping trips, tailgating, or backyard relaxation. In terms of usability, this chair is designed to offer a comfortable experience even during extended use. The rocking motion adds a touch of relaxation, perfect for unwinding after a day of outdoor activities. Additionally, its construction ensures longevity with reinforced stitching and a robust frame that can withstand regular use. The chair is also relatively lightweight, which aids in its portability.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Coleman Portable Camping Chair with Cooler is a practical choice for campers who need extra convenience. This chair integrates a built-in cooler, making it easy to keep beverages cold and within reach. The cooler compartment can hold up to 4 cans, and its padded armrests ensure you're comfortable while sipping your drink. The chair's frame is made from durable steel, supporting up to 300 pounds, and is designed to be stable on various terrains. The quality of this chair is evident in its construction. The seat and back are made from heavy-duty polyester fabric, which is both resilient and easy to clean. The chair also features a mesh cup holder and a side pocket for additional storage of personal items. With its sturdy design and useful features, it's well suited for camping, picnics, or any outdoor gathering where convenience is key. Usability is another strong point of the Coleman Portable Camping Chair. Setting it up is straightforward, and it folds away compactly, making transportation easy. The integrated cooler is a standout feature, enhancing the chair's functionality and making it a versatile option for those who enjoy having refreshments close by. Its durable frame and comfortable seating make it an excellent investment for frequent outdoor enthusiasts. Number 3. CAMP Oversized Folding Chair is worth considering. This chair features a generously sized seat and backrest, providing ample room for relaxation. It's built with a heavy-duty steel frame that can support up to 800 pounds, making it one of the most robust options available. The chair's design includes a breathable mesh back, which offers excellent ventilation and keeps you cool during hot days. Quality is a major focus of this chair. The fabric used is a high-strength Oxford cloth that is both durable and resistant to wear and tear. The chair also includes padded armrests and a padded seat, ensuring a comfortable experience even during long periods of use. Its sturdy construction and reinforced stitching contribute to its overall durability, making it a reliable choice for camping trips or backyard lounging. The CLIQ Oversized Folding Chair is user-friendly, with a design that makes setting up and packing away quick and easy. It folds into a compact size for convenient transport and storage. Additionally, the chair includes a built-in cup holder and a side pocket for personal items, adding to its functionality. Whether you're camping, attending outdoor events, or simply relaxing in your backyard, this chair provides the comfort and support you need. Number 4. Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camp Chair offers a balance of comfort and portability, making it a great choice for various outdoor activities. With its lightweight aluminum frame, this chair supports up to 250 pounds while remaining easy to carry. The seat is made from durable polyester fabric, which is both comfortable and resistant to the elements. Design-wise, the Cascade Mountain Tech chair features a sleek and modern look. Its compact foldable design allows for easy transport and storage, and it comes with a convenient carrying bag. The chair's high backrest provides additional support, while the padded seat and armrests enhance comfort. The included cup holder and side pocket add functionality, making it a practical choice for camping, picnics, or sporting events. In terms of quality, the chair is built to last with its strong aluminum frame and durable fabric. The ease of setup and takedown adds to its appeal, and its lightweight nature ensures that it won't weigh you down on your adventures. This chair offers a comfortable seating experience with the added benefit of portability, making it a versatile option for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 5. CLIQ Portable Lightweight Folding Chair is an excellent option. Weighing just over 2 pounds, this chair is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry on any adventure. Despite its small size, it supports up to 300 pounds thanks to its sturdy aluminum frame. The design of the CLIQ chair is both innovative and practical. It features a quick deploy system that allows you to set up the chair in seconds. The seat is made from durable, water-resistant fabric that is both easy to clean and comfortable to sit on. Additionally, the chair includes a high backrest for added support and a convenient carry bag for easy transport. Quality is a hallmark of the CLIQ Portable Lightweight Folding Chair. Its robust construction ensures durability, while the lightweight design does not compromise on stability. The chair's ease of use and portability make it a great choice for hiking, camping, or any outdoor activity where space and weight are a concern. Its compact size and comfortable seating offer a practical solution for those on the go. Number 6. SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair combines functionality with a classic design, making it a great addition to your camping gear. This chair features a strong steel frame that supports up to 300 pounds, and its design includes a wide, comfortable seat with a high backrest. The chair also includes a side table with a cup holder, adding convenience for meals or drinks. The chair's fabric is made from heavy-duty polyester, which is both durable and easy to clean. The padded seat and backrest offer enhanced comfort, while the armrests are designed with ergonomic considerations for a more relaxing experience. The SUNNYFEEL chair folds up easily for transport and storage, and its integrated side table can be used for various purposes, making it a versatile option for any outdoor setting. In terms of usability, the SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair is designed to provide a comfortable and convenient seating option. Its foldable design makes it easy to take along on trips, and the added side table enhances its functionality. Whether you're camping, attending outdoor events, or simply relaxing at home, this chair offers a blend of comfort and practicality that enhances your outdoor experience. Finally, number 7. Kelsyus Original Foldable Canopy Chair is a unique option that provides both shade and comfort. Featuring an integrated canopy that blocks the sun, this chair is perfect for hot and sunny days. The frame is made from durable steel, supporting up to 250 pounds, and the canopy is adjustable, allowing you to position it according to the sun's angle. The quality of this chair is evident in its construction. The seat is made from strong polyester fabric that is resistant to fading and easy to clean. The chair also includes a built-in cup holder and a storage pocket for added convenience. Its foldable design makes it easy to transport and set up, while the canopy provides much-needed shade, enhancing your comfort during outdoor activities. Usability is a key feature of the Kelsyus Original Foldable Canopy Chair. The adjustable canopy allows for customizable shade, which is a significant advantage on sunny days. The chair's lightweight and foldable design make it easy to carry, and its comfortable seating ensures that you can relax fully. Whether you're camping, lounging at the beach, or attending outdoor events, this chair offers a blend of shade and comfort that enhances your outdoor experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews and outdoor tips. Let us know in the comments which camping chair you choose. See you on the next adventure, and happy camping!